This is Without Venice. Please share with your friends, family, subscribe to the channel, press the like button, leave your comment.
The thunder may begin to roll, but if this world don't end before tomorrow,
light and you like make a drink out of it.
What's the name of the fruit?
Noni.
Noni.
Magic fruit.
Magical land, you know, Hawaii.
Oh, you got some
So Uncle Bush, like he planted all of this here.
That tree is for Peter Davi. Jay Adams, one of Jay Adams' best friend.
Oh yeah? Your daddy?
Peter, yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, Uncle Butch plant for
He planted.
my dad. He passed away 18 years ago. December 4th, 2007, anniversary just come.
And he was friends with Jay.
Yeah, close, best friends. Those guys have one of their they're tight, those guys.
That's so awesome. Look at this, guys. Uncle planted all of these things here.
Yeah, Uncle Butch planted the taro. Yeah, no problem.
He planted all these good things here. So taro, ginger. This is right here by Jake's house, you know, like Jake is a local here, Rock Point, you know. He also was friends with Jay. So Jay used to live in your mom's house.
Yeah, in Big Sur, my mom and dad's house. And then after he got out of his college or jail, he lived at my mom's house, Pupakea.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he was like a fucking character.
That's so cool, you know.
Jay's rad.
Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah,
Skate and surf.
he just like getting to know more about the history of like here, this place, you know, and
Love, for sure.
so awesome. Yeah. Uncle Bush is right there.
Yeah. Uncle Butch.
Uncle Butch. One of the first guys to surf in Hawaii here.
83, I think. Still surfing.
83, still ripping. I see him in the water sometimes. Yeah, he planted all of this, you know. What a cool thing. My guy, out there, player. Look who I found here now. Jake. Look at this board. Look at this thing, dude. Watch the climb, Jake. Gonna go out there now, get some waves.
Get wet.
Take over, huh?
Paddle out.
So sick. Yeah, gonna be out here like I'm gonna try to film some of your waves.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Let's fucking go. Yeah. Stoked.
Yes,
Look at this, guys. Golden hour here. V-Land. Hanging out with my friends here. There's Magno and Maria, his daughter. Got Jake right here. Jake is gonna go rip. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
so beautiful, eh?
Oh, I'm gonna kill it.
Ready?
No, I just came like to do a little shoot from the golden hour. I'm probably gonna get my board and go. Are you doing a little meditation before you go? Doing a little meditation before you go in? Closing.
Yeah, meditation.
Ew.
I should be meditating.
All of us. Have fun, buddy.
Where's my baby bear?
I just heard you. Was that you honking?
That was me honking. I thought you were gonna beat me there.
And it flew into the sea. Was it one of a kind? Was it one of a kind? I did insist that I wanted to be free. Was I one of a kind? Was I one of a kind? Obsession mixed with greedy contestants. Is it one of a kind? Is it one of a kind? Many times it just floated away. Was it one of a kind? Was it one of a kind? Colorless apron. Was it one of a kind? Was it one of a kind? I put my faith, didn't wanna get taken. Was it one of a kind? Was it one of a kind?